Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to do an unboxing of the next mod for my car. This is a JL Audio MicroSub with ported box with built-in amp as well. The part number is right here. I wanted something all-inclusive, not too big, that would fit in the car and have good sound. So this seemed to fit the bill. So I'm going to do an unboxing and show you what it looks like, and we'll go on from there. So they seem to pack it pretty nice. It's got all cardboard all around it, so shouldn't be any damage to it. Let's see if I can tear it open. There's the built-in amp right there. I'm just gonna pause this real quick and then I'll pull it out of the box so you get a better view. So I might have jinxed myself saying everything looks like it wasn't damaged. This corner has damage. It's just my luck. Looks like it's a good hit. So I'm gonna have to call the company and see what they can do. But as you can see inside here, it's cracked. So this thing took definitely pretty good hit. But I might as well finish unboxing it so you can see. This is the this is your built-in amp. Your high level inputs are here. They just go to the speaker wires. You don't need a converter. It comes with this piece of paper, and this is the inputs for these are the high inputs. Supported box, fairly good sized, but not overly big. This is a 12-inch MicroSub. It's rated at 400 watts RMS as well as the amp, so it's perfectly paired with the box. The amp, the sub is all made for each other, so it should sound pretty nice. Here's, I believe this should be the spec sheet, I'm not sure. Yeah, this is the spec sheet. And yeah, this is the sub. Going to be installing it hopefully within the next day. Maybe today if possible, but it's raining out. And I don't feel like working outside. So I'm going to get to that and I'm going to call the company and see what they have to say about the damage. You know, it's not that bad, but for something new, spent a good $1 on it. These boxes go for $6.29 regular price. I actually got it for $100 off. It wasn't because it was supposed to be damaged, but I got a discount on it, and now I got a damaged product. But I'll call them up, I'll see what they have to say, and hopefully we can work it out. Or maybe they'll send me a new one. But this is the JL MicroSub 12-inch ported box for my 2018 Accord. Thanks for watching.